Hi, it's Hazel and welcome to my channel. Today I am making some flowers using glitter card. Okay, I think you can use that any time of the year. So I'm thinking about putting these in a spring journal perhaps. Okay, springy journal. Okay. Okay then. I hope you'd like to join me today. If so, please give me a thumbs up. That'd be absolutely amazing. Plus, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much, and let's go. So I'm making these little glitter flowers today. I decided to use black. That's the glitter card there, that green. And I'm using some 6x6 paper, which is a bit of music style paper. Okay, and some archival ink. And these are the punches I use. That's 2 inches. I'm just measuring it there. 2 inches wide. Just putting my finger, 2 inches. 2 inches wide. That's an inch wide flower. That's a different shaped flower. That's a 5-petaled one. And I think I'm using a circle punch, which is a 5/8 inch, and a tiny weeny little cherry blossom type flower there for the middles sometimes. Oh, and those 2 different shaped. Oh yeah, there's the inch one. That the other one is actually a flower, and you could probably see it if you've got a big screen. Probably saying to me, "What's she talking about? Circle?" Right, there we go. So I'm going to make this one first. Okay, so I'm using this glitter card. In fact, I'm cutting them out. I think I'm cutting 3 of these because I'm making 3. Decide to find out where a nice place to cut it is. So 2 pieces of this glitter card. Glitter card. It's actually paper. It's very actually that was very, very cheap, that glitter card paper. I mean, this is not sure what this is from. Sometimes you get them in some photo style paper. It might be out of there, those black, rather than something I've bought. And this is a piece of card I just spotted. I thought, oh, I use this. And I've actually done this straight. And the original 3 that I did, they're not straight. You notice I'm putting them quite straight there. I didn't realise they weren't straight on the originals. So yeah. And this one I'm thinking, how am I going to do this? I just put it at an angle and managed to get it straight at the top. Because I like to have the one single one at the top. This is the mini one. Find it best to push it down because it's quite hard to do really when you're with your fingers. There we go. And I thought, hold on a minute, I need some more blacks. So I'm using the okay, I need some more glitter paper. I'm using circles there. That's 3/8 of an inch circles. And these are the 2 flower. I think I got this in the set actually. These EK punchers. A set of 2 different style flowers. Both 5-petaled. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, ink up the edges of the... I'm not even doing vintage. I tend to ink up the edges. I think it makes it pop. I thought it did. I thought, well, this actually needs something when I first did it. So I just made the... And I'm inking it up with dark brown. What's it called? I can't remember what it's called now. Espresso, I think it is. Right, I'm not completely sticking it down. Right, so I'm making these... So it makes it into 10-petaled flower. And making sure each one of those blacks look exactly the same. Right, so I'll show you what you do for this one. Might be going to do it fast though. So I'm going to cut this out. So I'll stick it on there. Yeah, like this. And then I'm going to cut them out. So you leave a bit of a parallel line around each one. There, so it leaves a black line, outline. Makes it pop really well. Yeah, that's why they look so smart really, don't they? There you go, you can see that quite clearly there. Right, my mistake, I think, originally I do flowers, is to actually put them off centre. So the logical way is probably that way that I'm doing it now, but I don't do it the logical way normally. Now I got the idea from this lady. I think I looked at her things on one of the UK groups, and she'd actually done it like this rather than turning it and doing it so it was basically the upside down version of the flower. It's quite hard to explain that, but if you see what I mean, I've done it with the music paper and the black paper currently. That's what I've done with that. I've done it like an offset of the other paper. Okay, anyway, to finish this off, I'm going to go around the edge, same as before. Look, I'm doing it really professionally here. Cutting it out and then doing this. Yes, this is much easier than doing it with a whole paper in your hand. Yeah, and it's also, I think, helps you to get it even as well. Because if you have the whole paper, it's quite tiresome to move it round. So it's worth cutting it out. That's the same as that one. The third one I do different. You'll probably notice on the thumbnail that the two are different. There's two, right. So again, I'm going to do an offset like that. So putting the black. Obviously, they're the same size. That's why I do that. They were different sizes. I might do what I do with the third one, which is make it the same way round. Again, I'm going to do this. Quite useful, this little idea. I've been doing it a while, and I thought, oh, I'll perhaps show people this, and I never have yet. I've been so obsessed with the foam stamps, I've not done it yet. Anyway, I have got a thing at the moment about DIY things, so as well as foam stamps, there are other things you can do DIY as well. So making your own flower. So I'm sticking that the same way round, with the small one at the top and the big one, then the two at the bottom, that sort of way round, rather than turning it upside down and having the one at the bottom and the two at the top. If you see what I mean, you will do if you see the third one. I think more or less that's a put there, is it the circle? No, it's the flower, isn't it? And then it's a circle, yeah. So I've done that the same as the other one, but I'm going to put it on the green background again. Yeah, quite cutely. Yeah, getting it all done, yeah. You don't have to stick it down perfectly, but because it's glitter card, I'm thinking it might decide to part ways. So I like to try and stick it down as much as possible on this bit. Yeah, so cute, isn't it? Look. Oh, yeah, I love it. Yeah, there's the two together. I'm trying to turn them around the right way so that the music paper's around the right way. Right, this is the one. So instead of offsetting it, I'm putting it exactly the same way round. This is what I mean. I'm doing it exactly the same way round this time. Okay. See, on the other one, I turned it upside down. Turned the black one upside down, didn't I? So it was offset. Offset, does that make sense? Right, okay. Yeah, you can't see what I'm doing. Look, yeah, I'm trying not to show you this time for some reason. There we go. Yeah. I didn't want you to see where I was sticking it for some reason. There we go. This is doing the edge again. So I'm doing that little parallel black line around the edge. Sticking that round the same way again. See, normally I do it the opposite way round. It was Dawn Doodas. I don't know if she watches me. I don't know if she knows I've got a channel, actually, from what she was saying. Anyway, she did that. I thought, why does that look so good? And it looked amazing. And that looked, I don't usually do that. And that's because it was like that. Again, this is a 5-petal little flower. I was playing around with the idea of having an 8-petaled, one of those daisy type flowers, which of course you can use. Yeah, and I'm doing it differently to that. Now, do I take it off? Wait a minute. Yeah. Instead of having it that way around, I have it that way round, which I think looks a lot better. Again, mirroring the other style flowers as well. Yeah, and I've got to go around the edge again of this one just to finish off. We do it, I think it's 5 times as fast I've got this at. Yeah, not showing you again. Yeah, I don't show you, no. There we go. There we go. You can't tell when you're cutting it out sometimes how far away you are. Yeah. There we go. So that's done. Yep, so just about finished now. Okay, so these are the ones. You notice I prefer the one on the left of those two. They are slightly different. Looks like it's got little round circle-y things though, don't it? I don't know why I put them over there. I think it's because I thought that was that seems to be in the middle of the camera, but I keep forgetting the camera is actually on the left. Oh no, I might be taking a photograph for the screen for the thumbnail actually there, and I like that to be on the right. Yeah, there we go. Now I'm taking another screenshot. I don't know why I left these in. Oh no. This is hilarious. This is all the mistakes you can see now. Okay, over to the outro. Right then, so I hope you like my content today. I really enjoyed making these. I made them, I probably told you in the video, I made them last night. That one's slightly different. I prefer that one to that one. I will tell you why in the video. Okay, and the other ones are both the same. I can swap them around like that. Yeah. There you go. spot which pair are different. Okay, so thank you so much for watching today. Please give me a thumbs up, that'd be absolutely amazing, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.